gearing up their robots. Beaufort High School hosted the Rumble in the Nest over the weekend. More than 200 students from 11 elementary, middle, and high schools across South Carolina, including 3 district schools, competed at the VEX Robotics competition. For the high school level challenge, students had to build robots that had to pick up and shoot out discs to score points.
The whole point of the game is you're trying to score a disc into a goal that kind of looks like a frisbee golf goal. And you pick it up with your intake, and then people have different ways of putting them in the goal, like a flywheel or just an arm to drop it. And yeah, 2 different goals. So one goal scoring is more, and then if you make it below the goal, it's a D-score.
Teams worked hard creating their robots and figuring out the best driving strategies to use to score as many points as possible.
I take the discs and kind of just run them up against the wall to pick them up, and then we store 2 and then just push the 3rd one into the goal and unload them.
We have a drivetrain which we can move around with, and then we have an intake which picks up the discs and then goes into a flywheel. So the flywheel spins super fast and it hits the disc and it'll shoot it right into the goal.
For the middle and elementary level competition, students score points by knocking orange discs out of towers.
We're doing slapshot IQ, so the point of the game is to get them out of the dispensers and get as many points as you can. The blue one, you can lift it up, you can tilt it to get all of them out. The purple one, you spin the wheel. And then the yellow one, you have to hit the green thing just the right way to get it.
To be successful at this challenge, the robots need to operate in several different ways to get the discs.
The thing that makes this game challenging is the different ways and parts of the robot you have to be able to go, to be able to knock down these pillars. Because something like purple, you have to have something that spins around this, move the wheel to push down the pillars. And with blue, you have to have something that is able to push up so it can have the discs roll down. And with yellow, it's not that hard. You just have to push on a button and all the discs will drop.
A team from Beaufort High won their tournament and qualified for the state championships in March. 2 teams from River Ridge Academy won their tournaments and will compete at the state championships in February. At Beaufort High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.